Hello, dear learner. How are you? I think you all are good. I'm also good. So today is our another class where I will teach you English in a very simple way. Are you struggling for learning English? Okay. So if you are struggling for speaking English or learning English, then this is the best class for you where you can improve your listening as well as you can improve your speaking. Okay, and if you watch this class you can improve your listening because I am speaking so slowly. Okay, and I am speaking so silently and I am using very simple words so that you can understand my whole class. Okay, this is just 10 minutes class. In this 10 minutes I will complete this topic which is complex sentence. Okay, in this class I will discuss about complex sentence. If you watch this full class, then you can learn complex sentence as well as you can improve your listening as well as you can improve your speaking. Okay, and you can be a fluent English speaker. But before I start this class, let me tell you that in previous class I taught you close I taught you close and phrase. Okay. Before I start this class, I want to discuss about previous class. What I taught in my previous class. That is the thing in this class, and that is the specialty of this class. Okay. So close and phrase I taught you in the previous class. Also, I taught you conjunction. Okay. I taught you conjunction. So these three things we need to learn before I start complex sentence. Why? Because to learn complex sentence, we need to learn these three things. In the complex sentence, we can see the use of these three things. Okay? First, we have close. What is the meaning of close? Close is a small sentence. Okay? Close is a small sentence where you will see a subject as well as a verb. Okay? In the close, you will see a subject as well as a verb. Okay? Subject verb. But phrase, you cannot see any subject. You cannot see any verb. Okay? In phrase, you cannot see any subject and any verb. This is the difference between close and phrase. Then what you will find in phrase? You will find in phrase just words and words. Okay? Then we have conjunction. Conjunction means connect two things, to close, to phrase, to sentences. Conjunctions connect to close, to phrase, to sentences, to words. Okay? Suppose I like, I like tea and coffee. Okay? If you come, I will go. Here, if is the conjunction. Okay? I call you, but you didn't respond. I call you, but you didn't respond. Here, but is the conjunction. Okay? The conjunction sometimes connects to words, to phrases, to sentences. Okay? Like this conjunction works. Okay? It is connects. So I think these things you got it. You got it. So here I taught you clause and phrase and conjunction. Now today's our topic is complex sentence. Before this sentence, I taught you what is simple sentence. Simple sentence is very simple, where you will see a subject and a finite verb. Wow, how nice, isn't it? Yeah. So now I am going to teach what is complex sentence. Complex sentence. In complex sentence, you will find two subjects. You will find two subjects. So two subject plus you will find two verb. Remember, two verb. Okay. Then in complex sentence, you will find subordinary conjunction. Wow, we have came into the line. So we have come into the line here. Subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction. So what I said? I said that in complex sentence, you will find two subject. You will find two verb. You will find a subordinate conjunction. Now, my question is, dear learners, what was subordinate conjunction? What was subordinate conjunction? Please tell me and pause the video and please keep your answer on the comment box. Okay, so that I can see that you can get the right answer. So here, to make a complex sentence, we need to make two subject, two verb, and also a subordinate conjunction. I told you there are three types of conjunction: coordinate, subordinate. Number three is correlative conjunction. Right? Okay. So here I am going to write a complex sentence. Okay, a complex sentence. I did not go to school. You did not go to school because I was ill. Oh, now we have done this sentence, right? So here, as you can see, I just told you that you need to make two subject, two verb, and also subordinate conjunction. Then you can make a proper complex sentence. Okay? So here, I is the subject, did not auxiliary and not negative word. Okay. Then we have go. So I one subject, go one subject. So we have one subject and one verb. Then we have also again I. So again I is one subject and was here is the main verb. So here we got one subject. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So here we got two subject and two verb. Now what we need? We need subordinate conjunction. Otherwise this sentence will not be a complex sentence. So now find out the subordinate words. Subordinate conjunction, find out. So here you can see because connects these two sentences. I did not go to school. If I remove this word from this sentence here, you can see I did not go to school, I was ill. I did not go to school, I was ill. I did not go to school, I was ill. But this is not a good thing. And this doesn't give a proper meaning if I don't say these words. That's why I have to say this word here. I did not go to school because why I did not go to school? What is the reason? The reason is I was ill. I was ill. Yeah, right. So I think this is very simple. This is very, very simple. So the conjunction is clear. Clear. I think the complex sentence is clear. So today our class number is 20. Our class number is 20. So I have completed 19 class on this YouTube channel. If you are struggling for speaking English, for learning English, this is the right channel. This is the right platform where you can learn English, where you can speak English. That's why I am making these types of content where you can improve your listening as well as speaking. Okay? And why I taught this topic in English. I also taught in Bangla language in English. Okay? I also taught in Bangla language in my another class. But today's class is held in English. Why? Because I want to improve your speaking, your listening. If you listen to me carefully, you can improve your listening. After listening, you can speak. Suppose you didn't read a word, but you just listen the word from your friend, from your mother, from your father. You memorized that word. How? Just listening. So listening is very, very powerful. Don't ignore this thing. Listening is very important. So just listen to me, and if you are understanding this class, it is good. You are on the right way. You are on the right path. Just go on and just do my class and improve your English. Speak like a native speaker. Okay? What you have to do, if you don't understand this class, if you don't understand, then please, there is a Bangla course for you, which is spoken English 60 days challenge. You can do that course and you can improve yourself. So thank you so much for your valuable time, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get my next video at the first. Okay, thank you very much.